Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, this is Sepedi channel lesson. So today we're going to be looking at the seasons of the year, which means the seasons of the year in Sepedi. So the first season we have summer. So summer is called Selemo. Summer is called Selemo, and it occurs from November to January. From November to January. So the second season we have winter. So winter is called Mariga. Winter is called Mariga, and it occurs from May to July. From May to July. The third season we have spring. So spring is called Serutwane, where the temperatures are starting to get warmer, and it takes place from February until April. From February until April. The last season we have autumn or fall. Autumn or fall. So autumn is called Lehlabula. Autumn is called Lehlabula, and it occurs from August to October. August to October. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next video.